Hello, I'm Bob from the Happy HomeWork Club. Here's how to install the APK file on your Android phone or tablet. Step number 1. Click on the download link that was shared with you on our website. My turn! When you see the download complete message, tap on it. That will carry you to the download folder. Sometimes the download complete notification doesn't show up, so we have to go into our files folder. When you finally find the app, just tap on it to install. Step number 2. Allow app installs from unknown sources. If you never installed the app from outside the Google Play Store before, you might see a warning. Something like, for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps. But don't worry, just tap on Settings, then Allow from this source or Allow app installs. Step 3. Great job, man! Now all we need to do is go back to the download folder and tap on the app icon to install, and we're done! We're one step closer to making our kids smarter!